and muddy.
Icky and muddy. So today we're going to look for bugs
And snakes.
and snakes. And there's lots of bugs here where we live. You might see them flying around my face, but we're going to look for bugs and snakes and frogs and creepy crawlies.
Yeah, creepy crawlies.
And we'll see what we find.
Yes. Show them all these flowers.
Oh, they can see them.
Yeah, because it's Mother's Day today, and that's why the nature wants to give the mothers stuff.
Nature wants to give mothers flowers.
Yeah, that's why the flowers are popping up everywhere today.
Oh.
Excuse me.
We'll have to pick Mommy a whole bouquet.
Yeah, we got some flowers right here.
So when we go back,
yeah,
we can give them to Mama, okay?
Yeah. Right now.
Where should we look for
bugs? I don't know.
Bugs and creepers?
I don't know, dude. But look.
There's a lot of places to look around here.
Look at that.
I know, flowers.
I told you the earth wanted to give the mothers flowers.
I know it.
That's why there's a whole bunch right there for the mothers.
The mudders.
The mothers.
Mudder's milk, if you're a Firefly fan.
Did you know this? So here's all the flowers, guys. There's so many, guys. Look at all these flowers. Can't see them probably, but there's so many flowers. Oh. There's so many flowers out here in the woods.
Where would there be snakes?
I don't know. I bet right over there in the bushes.
You have to find some wood to turn over or something.
Oh yeah, logs or something. I'm just looking over there by those logs. There's logs over there.
Yeah, that's a big log though. I don't think I could turn that one over.
Not this, but that. Over there.
There sure are a lot of gnats out here.
Yeah, there's so many gnats. What is that?
Oh.
That's beautiful. Look at that, guys.
It's a pretty flower from somewhere.
Look at that, guys.
It's a little dried out though.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Still got a leaf on it.
Yeah, but look at that, guys. Oh, guys, I need to show you the river.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful
We're doing
river.
some work on this side of the creek. Oh. Aha, tadpoles.
Ah.
They're kind of hard to grab. They're down in that muck and that slime that they love to eat. Where? Oh, yeah. He went under here.
Oh, there he is.
Is it a frog or was it a tadpole?
I saw something go. Like
Could have been a full-fledged frog. A lot of things get washed down from neighbors.
Yeah.
So, which tunnel are we going in?
Oh.
Careful, you.
I'm still on the concrete.
Careful.
That one, right here. Or this one.
Oh, that's cool. I don't recommend everybody go playing in a tunnel like this, but not much chance of a flood today. It's very dry, so.
Yeah.
There we go.
I can see a lot of mites in here.
Hang on, bud boo.
I can see all mites.
Those aren't mites, though. You know what those are?
What?
Those are mosquito larvae.
You know, I can see some red stuff on here.
Sadly, mosquito larvae.
Whoa, but they're walking.
There's a lot of critters in this.
Yeah. Woo!
Uh-oh, here comes the echo.
Yeah.
Hold on one second, bud.
Okay.
Whoa. Hello, 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 hello.
That's us right there.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, guys.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to you. Do.
Hey, look, that's Ritz.
Raccoon. Now these are bird tracks. I don't know what type. There's some type of bird track. But right next to it is a raccoon track.
Yeah.
That's some more raccoon tracks.
Woo.
So we have lots of critters around us here.
Yeah, but can do you want me and you to jump on the island right there?
We can try.
Yeah. Camera?
Okay. Whoa!
Woo! I did it!
Pretty sick. What was on you?
Mud.
Mud.
Oh.
That's actually a fair amount of water coming down, considering
yeah,
it's not
that,
raining. A little waterfall. I have an idea.
What?
Truck. Waterfall.
Truck waterfall. Woo!
Here, bud. Truck for the waterfall.
Truck in the waterfall.
Are you gonna run them? Dirty Hot Wheels mud track.
Yeah.
Not really. We did bring them along just for kicks, because you never know if you're gonna find creatures. There's a lot of places for them to hide.
Mine?
Yeah, you bet.
Oh, I'm thinking.
There you go. His favorite one.
Yeah, my favorite one that I showed you.
It's not designed for... Oh! That was deep.
Yeah.
This is not very sturdy, is it?
Yeah. Okay guys, I need to show you the mud adventure of the Hot Wheels is.
Hot Wheels Mud Adventure number 2.
How you doing, guys?
It's number 1, actually.
Yeah. How you doing, buddy?
I think everybody's doing great, Bubba.
Yeah. Kids.
That looks fun.
Yeah.
Boom!
How
I'm gonna
you
jump
doing?
over the rock.
Yeah.
Oh,
right over you.
oh, mine crashed.
Oh, I flipped you over.
Oh, cool. Man, monster truck. It's just a Hot Wheels truck.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Yeah, buddy. And I'm a Hot Wheels car, so it's great. Oh, look at this little pond. Woo.
Oh my goodness.
I'm bigger than the pond. Woo. mine going under.
Under?
Yeah, look.
Oh my gosh. I'll come get you.
Well, I'm okay because I'm a Hot Wheels.
I can't get you. Oh, now I'm stuck.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
There we go. Now I look like a proper off-road vehicle.
Yeah.
That's more like it.
Yes.
That's the kind of trucks you see in Virginia all the time, right, bud?
Yeah.
It's a Virginia truck.
Dad, look at this.
Right there.
Bring our monster trucks, Dad.
I know it. We didn't think about it. Next time. Because we were coming to make a different video.
Yeah.
But that happens with us sometimes. The video changes into something more fun than looking for bugs.
Soupy mess. Oh, Wormy. Found the first bug in our adventure.
A critter.
A worm. A wormy.
Oh, come closer. Can you? You can walk in that. There you
Whoa,
go.
whoa.
There he is.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, you found one.
I found
We
a
did
critter.
find a creepy crawly critter. It's an earthworm.
Another worm. Found another worm.
You should throw him up there where it's green. Don't walk in the water. There you go. You made it.
I bet you did.
Probably made it. Probably made it.
Yeah, I bet you did, guys. And I pick one for Mom.
That's nice.
And look at them, guys.
Go on ahead. We'll find some more.
Yay! Oh, we can find more critters, actually. Don't screw the plants, Dad. Where's that ball? Where is it? Where's the ball?
I don't know. Did you throw it?
I threw it down here.
Oh, it must have bounced somewhere.
No, it went right here. And went.
Oh, there it is. Right there.
Get it. Ah. If you want to find bugs, we have to go down there. If you want to find bugs.
These are pretty. You should pick some of these for Mommy.
Yeah. I'll pick one.
Get the yellow one right here by the camera. Get another one.
We already got like a lot.
There you go. Those are for Mama.
Because it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
What else you gonna grab for Mama?
Oh, one of the purple ones. That's nice.
Oh yeah, it's a little small for a bouquet. You should get some more yellow ones.
Yeah.
I don't know what those are, so don't eat them.
There you
Try
go.
to get the long stems. There you go.
Yes. Yes. There you go.
Yay.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
That's-
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Yay! It's Mother's Day today, and Mama loves us.
Yes, she does.
Yeah.
You have a good mama.
Yeah, have a good one. Some people. Woo! Flowers. Flowers
I'm gonna get a few more
are
for you,
beautiful.
okay?
Yeah, a few more
I'm
for
gonna help
Mom.
you fix them.
Okay.
Let's
But I'm
do
holding
this
the
one.
I'm holding the camera, so I cannot hold anymore.
That's okay.
Just
hold
only
them.
one. One.
I'll hold them for you, and you can give them to her when we get home, okay?
Okay. I got one. Okay.
Okay, Bubba.
It's beautiful. Look at this, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There I got a flower.
Sorry about the crazy madness.
Yeah.
It's been a crazy madness kind of a day.
Yeah.
Right, Bubba?
Yeah, but it's Mother's Day, so I'm getting up to a
Well, I'm sorry we didn't find very many creepy crawlers.
Yeah, we just found
We tried.
We found a couple of worms and not
But
anything. I'm sorry I'm
It
doing
turned
this
into
out of-
a muddy Hot Wheel car video
Yeah.
/ Happy Mother's Day
Yeah.
flower picking video, which is all very cool. Right, Buddy Boo?
Yeah.
All right, let's tell everybody goodbye.
Bye, guys.
We love you.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye.